Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will do some. Today we will do some grammar exercises. So what 4 options are given? What will be the correct one? Batao. Hello.
Ma'am, first one. Ma'am, first come.
Ma'am, first one. Bye.
Ma'am, at.
Most of us fail in our
Ma'am, bye.
Ma'am, at self-improvement.
at self improvement, because our schemes are too ambitious and we never have time.
Ma'am, by. Ma'am, for. Sorry,
Two.
for.
Never have time for carry them. लग रहा सही सुनने में.
Ma'am, two.
Two. No,
Ronak
ma'am.
Raj,
Ma'am, two.
Ronak
Ma'am,
Raj,
two carry them.
correct.
Two carry them.
Ronak Raj, time to carry. Time to carry. Then to carry out, we also make We also make the fundamental error dash announcing.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in.
by.
Huh?
Ma'am, in.
In.
Ma'am, in.
Ma'am, by.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
by.
in. Ma'am, in.
Ma'am, by.
In.
In.
हाँ, in. In announcing our resolution to everybody, so that we look more foolish when we slip back. Srishti, बताओ.
Ma'am, at.
Slip back. Two
Ma'am,
is
at.
slip back. बताओ सृष्टि. Two is into add. What is the correct thing? Two is into add.
Ma'am, at.
नहीं, add तो नहीं सही है.
Ma'am, two.
Into.
Ma'am, two.
Into.
Two.
Two
Ma'am,
होगा मैम,
two.
two.
Two are bad old ways. Two are bad old ways. Aware of these pitfalls, this year I attempted again as to which at.
Two.
Ma'am, two.
Yes, two is the correct answer. To keep my resolution to myself, I limited myself to two modest ambitions: to do physical exercise every morning and to read more
Ma'am, at.
At evening.
Ma'am, at.
At
in the
evening.
evening. मॉर्निंग इवनिंग के पहले इन होता है, नाइट के पहले एट होता है. इन द इवनिंग. When I
Yes,
taught you
ma'am.
prepositions, I told you this. Before night, you use at, and before morning and evening, you use in. An overnight party on New Year's Eve provided me with good excuse. Seventh का option है. For who of that?
Ma'am, for.
Good excuse. हाँ, for not carrying. For good excuse for not carrying out either of these new resolutions. Good excuse for not carrying out either of the new resolutions. 8. Into, on, from, to.
On.
Ma'am, from.
Use resolution. On the
On.
Ma'am, from.
on the first day. Okay. We'll practice some narration exercises. As I told you that from narration you will not get separate sentences. ये है sentence transformation. This is sentence transformation. Means you have to apply the rules of narration. You have to apply the rules of narration. So, from direct indirect speech, you are not going to get separate sentences. You will get dialogue, conversation, and you will get dialogue or conversation, and you have to change it. You will get dialogue or conversation, and you have to change it to indirect speech. Like instead of writing Julie said to Mona, वो conversation form में दिया हुआ है. तो वही सारे rules जो है इसमें apply करना है. One is done as an example. Julie asked Mona when the fancy dress competition in her school was. So as I told you that in WH question, you don't have to use whether or if. So this is a WH question. So use the same question word and the past tense. Is has changed to was. और word order भी change हुआ है. Was हमारा last में आ गया, वो तो बताए थे. He said, what is your name? So he asked me what my name was. Was will go at the last. So one is done as an example. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So to that, Mona replied that it is after 2 weeks. What will be the correct answer? Who will answer? Jigyasa answer karo. अंकुश कुमार, चलो कुछ लोग कभी अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर. अंकुश कुमार.
That it was after 2 weeks.
It was after 2 weeks, ma'am.
Yes, Ankush, your answer is correct. That it was after 2 weeks. Is will change to was. It was after 2 weeks. Then Julie inquired whether son. So this is a yes no question. ये जो है yes no question है, तो इसमें whether already लगाया हुआ है. So you have to do the rest. Whether. Who will answer? Soumya.
Whether.
कौन आंसर? रौनक.
You are taking
वेदर नहीं, ये पर्सनल प्रोनाउन भी तो चेंज होता है. यू नहीं होगा. प्रोनाउंस आल्सो चेंज. वेदर
she was. He was
whether she. You
taking
have to keep in mind that pronouns also change. Whether she was taking part in it.
taking part in it.
Whether she was taking part in it. Mona said that she was taking part as an engine driver. Julie asked why.
She had chosen that.
Oh, yes, why she had chosen that. She answered. Who will answer this?
So that
So that
he could reach late.
Ronak, you want to answer? Ronak, answer karo.
I'm sure
Ma'am,
that
so
she
that
can.
he could reach late.
Yes, so that she could reach late. Can will change to could.
Yes.
Answer. So that she could reach late. So can will change to could. That this you have to keep in mind. Can changes to could, then have changes to had, then pronouns also you have to change accordingly. So now we'll second conversation. Same thing. One is done as an example. This is a conversation between father and son. This is a conversation between father and son. Father, how was the interview? Son, I have performed well. First one is already done. Father asked his son how his interview had been. So you remember the rules? This is past tense. Mute yourselves, all of you. Whose mic is unmuted? You unmute yourself only to answer the questions. How was the interview? This is past tense, so it has been past perfect. You remember the rule? You remember the rule? Past will change to
Yes, ma'am.
perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how was the interview? How his interview had been? The son replied that, Nitin Sinha, you answer? Nitin? Nitin, I can see your name in the participants. I can see your name in the participants. I can see your name in the participants. The son replied that
He had been performed well. There were nearly
There had been nearly 100 candidates.
Yes, Nitin, your answer is correct. That there had been nearly 100 candidates. There had been. नहीं, ये he had performed well, ये भी तो लिखना है. सॉरी, पहला पार्ट भी पहले लिखेंगे ना. That he had performed well. He had performed well. There had been. There were is past. It will change to past perfect. Had been nearly 100 candidates. Yes. Now we come to our third line. Are you confident that you will get the job? The father wanted to know.
Ari was confident that he would
ये
get the job.
हमारा किस तरह का
Was he
क्वेश्चन
confident?
है? क्वेश्चन किस
Ma'am, Ari was
यस नो
Whether.
क्वेश्चन? क्या लगता है यस नो क्वेश्चन में?
Ma'am, whether or if.
whether he was confident that
Whether he was confident.
Yes.
he will get job. He
Yes,
will get
Soumya,
job.
your answer is correct. Soumya gave the whether he was confident. He was whether he was confident. So you have to remember all these things. You have to keep in mind. Question: which kind of question? Yes, no question. First one was the WH question. How was the interview? तो इसमें whether if नहीं लगाया. Then third line is the yes no question. You have to use whether he was confident that the rest is done, that he would get the job. Here also you have to remember it's already done, but see how the pronouns has been changed. You to he, whether he, and will to would, whether he would get the job. The son replied that we'll do it.
Both members were friendly.
Those who haven't answered, सौम्या, जिज्ञासा, शिखा, रौनक, इन लोगों ने आंसर किया है. नितिन, जिन लोगों ने नहीं आंसर किया वो आंसर करो. हेलो, आंसर. I want some new participants. Come on. Divyani is present. Divyani?
No, ma'am.
Not present. Replied that. Who will answer? Only a few.
The board members.
Both members were friendly.
The board members were friendly. So here you have to change only one word. This R will change to were. The board members were friendly. The board members were friendly. So Anne said that
They
He
would
will
let,
know.
They would let me know the result.
they would let him know the result.
yes, they would let him. You have to do it very carefully, changing all the things. Let him know, because it is grammar. If you do one mistake, your complete answer will be wrong. जैसे अगर तुमने would change कर दिया और यहाँ him को नहीं change किया, so you are not going to get half marks. You will get zeros. That is why you have to be very careful in grammar. Wrong means wrong. So you have to do it very carefully, keeping in view all the rules. The rules of the pronouns, the rules of the tenses, and other things. Let him know the result in a day's time. We'll do one more and then we can do other kind of. Yeah. Our school is celebrating its annual day tomorrow. This is again a conversation between two friends. Raj told Sujit. Who will answer? Ankush, chalo answer karo.
Was
Ma'am, our school
That her school is celebrating.
That
नहीं गलत.
their school. R will also change. No. Unka their school was celebrating. Ayush is not present today. आयुष की आवाज आज नहीं आ रही है. Celebrating. The school was apostrophe नहीं. It's tomorrow changes to
Next day.
the next day. So this also you have to keep in mind. Tomorrow changes to the next day. That the school was celebrating its annual day the next day. Sujit wanted to. Who is your chief guest? How will you change this?
Sujit wanted to know who was the chief guest.
Who was the chief? Okay.
Wanted to know who was their chief guest. Replied that
Our chief guest was the Honorable President
yes.
himself.
रौनक एक चीज तुमने मिस कर दिया. their chief guest. Their chief guest was the Honorable President himself. Sujit was surprised and commented that
It was quite.
yes,
That was quite incredible.
that was quite incredible. हाँ, double that हो गया. कोई बात. So from narration you are going to get these kind of exercises only. So whenever you get a conversation, no need to get confused that what you have to do in it, because question will not be given that change to indirect speech. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. क्वेश्चन रहेगा read the conversation given below and based on your reading fill in the blanks appropriately. So whenever you get this question, you have to understand that it is a question based on direct and indirect speech. In the question it will not be mentioned that change to indirect speech. Question will be as read the conversation and fill in the blanks, but you have to understand that this is based on narration. You have to apply the same rules of narration. So this one, have you done this one? ये जो है 9. A special child's life in every teacher. So this is jumbled words. Rearranging. Screen is visible? Hello? Is the
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can do this rearranging. 5 kinds of exercises you will get in your grammar: error, omission, fill in the blanks, rearranging, and this sentence transformation that we did just now. So among these 5, you will get any 3 kinds of exercise. So rearranging.
Ma'am, every In every child's life,
a special teacher holds place.
Uh,
Teachers hold a special place in every child's life.
yes, we'll start with teachers. In every child's life, teacher holds a special place. It is sounding a bit inappropriate. So teachers, we'll begin the sentence with teachers. Second is hold. अच्छा ये तो दोनों एक ही है. Teachers hold एक साथ है. Teachers hold. फिर second is a special. Teachers hold a special. Third is place. Fourth is in every. And fifth is in every child's life. So teachers hold a special place in every child's life. For his or her, it is they in the society who prepare life the child. It is lengthy, but it's very easy. If you just focus, you can do it.
It is they who prepares the child for his or her life.
Yes. Yes. It is they. Second, who prepare. It is they who prepare. Who prepare the child. Who prepare the child for his or her life in the society. So second one is, it is they who prepare the child for his or her life in the society. It is they who prepare the child for his or her life in the society. Then fourth one, C. Progressive society teachers are of a sound one of the
main pillars of progressive society.
progress
T.
of
One of
थोड़ा
one
सा
of the progress
रौनक
teacher are
इधर उधर करो हो जाएगा.
for sound.
अंकुश, you want to answer?
One
बोलो.
one of the progressive society teacher are main pillar of a sound.
नहीं, ये नहीं सही है. Not correct. Ronak, you want to try once again?
One of the progressive society of a sound teacher are main pillar.
One of the main pillars of progressive societies are the sound of teachers.
नहीं, sound मतलब what you call perfect kind of thing. That is the meaning of sound in this context. You begin your sentence with teachers are. इससे शुरू कर.
teachers are one of the main pillars.
हाँ.
Progressive society.
Continue, Jigyasa. Your answer is correct. Teachers are one of the main pillars
Of sound and progressive society.
Yes, yes. So half was done by Jigyasa and half by Soumya. 50-50 credit. Teachers are one of the main pillars. Teachers are one of the main pillars of a sound. And we कहीं था ना.
And progressive.
Teachers are one of the main pillars of a sound and progressive society. Teachers are one of the main pillars of a sound and progressive society.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of competencies?
Competencies means to be competent, talent. Have you heard the word competent?
Ma'am,
One who can face competition.
They help the child to acquire. They help the child to acquire knowledge, competencies, and values in life.
Yes, correct, Jigyasa. Yes, correct. They help the child to acquire. So first we'll begin with they help. Then second, the child. They help the child to acquire knowledge, competencies, and values in life. अरे क्या हो? They help the child to acquire. They help the child to acquire. ठीक है. Third, fourth, knowledge. 5, competencies and values in life. They help the child to acquire knowledge, competencies, and values in life. Okay, this one was lengthy one. Eleventh वाला तो छोटा छोटा है, चलो यही बनाओ.
At birth, puppy is quite helpless.
At birth से नहीं start करो.
Puppy is
Puppy
quite
is
helpless
quite
at birth.
helpless at
Yes.
birth.
Puppy is quite. A puppy is quite helpless at birth. A puppy. A puppy is quiet, helpless at birth. Every child is helpless at birth. It cannot do anything by itself. So applies the same thing even to a dog's puppy. It cannot do anything by itself. Dependent on the mother. A puppy is quite helpless at birth.
It is also born without teeth.
Yes, correct, Soumya. It is also born without its teeth. Like the human baby. Just as the human baby at the time of birth, it is quite helpless, dependent on the mother, so is the dog's puppy. And the dog's puppy also has no teeth. It is also born without its teeth. It. Second is 2. 3 is also born. 4 is without. And 5th is its teeth. It is also born without its teeth.
It doesn't begin life with all
सही है
its
बजना.
senses.
Yes. Yes, Jigyasa. Tell it once again so that everyone can hear.
Its life.
It doesn't begin its life with all the sense.
हाँ ये.
Senses.
हाँ, it does not. It से start करेंगे. It does not. Then third one is begin. Its. Fourth is its life with all the senses. In the beginning, all the sense organs are not active. It does not begin its life with all its senses. When the puppy is born, all the sense organs are not active. So it does not begin its life with.
life 5th number है ना?
क्या?
life 5th number आपने 6th लिखा
है, वो लिखने में थोड़ा ये हो गया है. लाइफ जो है वो 5th है. 5 है. It does not begin its life with all the senses. Grows older, may change a color, puppy's coat, puppy the.
The puppy's coat color may change as a puppy grows older.
As the puppy grows older, से sentence शुरू करो. As the puppy grows older, the puppy's
coat
coat
may
color
change.
change. क्योंकि ऑफ तो है नहीं. हाँ. As the puppy grows older, the puppy's coat color may change. As the puppy grows older, so we'll begin the sentence with as. As the third one, puppy. As the puppy grows older, puppy's coat color may change. As the puppy grows older, as the puppy grows older, puppy's coat color may change. Sometimes as the dog grows older, the color of the skin changes. Okay, our class ends here. Tomorrow we will practice something in writing.
Ma'am,
हाँ, बोलो सौम्या, कुछ पूछना है?
मैम द पपीज कोट कलर से हम लोग स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते?
हाँ, वो वैसे भी स्टार्ट हो सकता है. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि दो तरह से जो है वो सेंटेंस जो है वो दो तरह से जो है सेंटेंस बन सकता है, तो वैसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो.
ओके मैम.
Okay, tomorrow we will practice something in writing. Okay, bye all of you. Our class ends here. Okay, and be prepared for your half-yearly exams in September. It will be taken through Snap Homework. So all of you get registered on Snap Homework with your own name and admission number, and start preparing for the half-yearly examination. Okay, bye all of you. Have
Bye,
a good
ma'am.
day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. कुछ लोग आंसर ही नहीं करते हैं. बालकृष्ण, जयशंकर, हुसैन अली, शिवम सिंह. शिवम, तुम क्यों नहीं आंसर करते हो? शिवम.